Dolphin Class ball rolling game
At
activity.
Kingdom of
Baby Shark Preschool. The lovely children of Dolphin Class to
The children sat in a line
enjoyed
on
a
the
super
soft
fun
mat
ball
with
rolling
colorful
balls
balls
in front of them. When the teacher gently rolled the ball toward a child, the little one used both tiny hands to roll it back. Some children giggled happily, some watched with great focus, and some hugged the ball because they loved it so much. The classroom was filled with laughter, cheerful voices, and sparkling happy eyes, a joyful learning through play moment in the kingdom of Baby Shark, accepting children from 12 months to 5 years old. Silly Class 3 to 4 years old. Scholarships up to 20 million VND/year.